Hello, welcome to Programming Academic Channel. And today we are going to create a data analysis project. So let's get to start to create our data analysis project. So come to here, guys, on the top on the home page and enter data. So our table we're going to call measures. Upload. The measures is we are going to calculate from our data. We create tables under to calculate from our data, and then we are going to okay. So here it's already created. Come to here measures to get new measure. Equaled total revenue. Total revenue. Sum of revenue from closing tag. So create it and then to get new measure again. So this one measure we called average revenue. Average revenue. Average revenue. We're going to create our cell. So our cell total total transaction transaction equal to count first name, and we have a final one. Final one we're going to get from the countries, total of countries. Total of country total count from country. So guys, like this way you going to create all the measures. So it is so simple to create a measure, right? It's very simple to create a measure. So this is empty, we don't need. There is an empty column. So any empty columns uh, we don't need because we already clean our data and then we create it. We calculate from our data from total in the revenues and total in the countries, the total of transactions and the average of revenue. We already calculate this, right? Because we already created our own tables and then we already calculate it, right? So now we are going to use cards and how to put on our dashboard how to report or how to analyze, right? So this way you are going to find where exactly your business or how to make a right decisions in your project, right? This is a very important things, guys. You are going to start doing in 2024. This is a very important project in IT companies. Now, many companies they require for only for data analysis and data science everywhere around the world. This position is open for you because you are going to make a very good decisions, important decisions, really worth it uh, problem they're going to fix. So let's get to complete this course and to take this certificate and then going to use it and to become your next interview to become a full stack data analyst. So the job is waiting for you. What are you waiting, guys? So get start now and to finish this course and then going to find your dreams job. I'm sure 100% after this portfolio you are going to make it more than this data analyze project. We are going to make better than this one. So bye for now.